Hey everybody, Jim here with Totally Relaxed. Thought I'd jump in here and say hello to everybody and let you know what's going on the property today. We have a lot going on today. As you can see, the tree guys are here trying to do away with some of these tree branches that are hanging down low, and it might get blowed off if we get another 97-mile-an-hour wind through here like we did just here recently. That's the landlady right there, headed that way. This is her backhoe. She's using it to carry all the stuff they're cutting down to the back burn pile. It's way back there.
Yeah, everybody's watching him. That's what you call being out on a limb, ain't it? But they're professionals, they know what they're doing. I just hope he don't fall off that limb or it breaks. Gee, that would be terrible, but he's got a safety belt on, I'm sure, so. Whew, looks dangerous. I couldn't be up there, I'm too scared of heights. Anyway, I just want to add this to the video. Okay. Take another shot down here. Yeah, he's tied off up there. I can see where he's tied off. So I guess they're gonna cut that limb off right there, I guess. There he goes, one of them. They're good at their job. Guess you'd have to be. Standing up there off the ground like he is. Wow. Anyway, I just want to show that to y'all. Talk to you later. Bye.
Over there, I don't know if you can see it or not, but my lounge chair that used to be in my living room, I put out on the street yesterday to be picked up by whoever wanted it, is now back over here. And from what I was told this morning, the man that owns them two RVs, he wants it. Now where he's going to put it, I don't know. But anyway, it's not my problem anymore. But he's been staying away from here in an Airbnb for the last 2 weeks because he has no power because of the storm that come through here recently. And the reason he has no power is because he had no surge protector when he was plugged up to the property electricity on his 30 amp board. So it burnt everything, went right up the cord. I don't know what happened, shorted out. Oh, anyway, it's a mess over there. Not even going to get into that. Anyway, it's kind of cool today. It's only 95 today. Humidity's down. It's only like 58% today, which is unusually low for our area. And also earlier, landlady Debbie had her electrician guy over here putting in a 50 amp, so the guy that owns them RVs can use the 50 amp, but I'm sure she's not going to let him plug in until he gets all that fixed, which might be a while. But anyway, life goes on. She's got a lot going on here. This truck you're looking at belongs to one of our tenants who lives down the way, 2 houses down from me. They had to move it over here because they need to cut some big tree limbs down there where he lives. And earlier today, Debbie's husband was over here putting a new belt on her riding lawnmower. So yeah, it's been quite a busy day today. And say hi to camera, Debbie. Anyway, I had to get out of the house for a while. I was about to go crazy, and I haven't used my GoPro camera for a while, so rather than shake y'all to death and make you dizzy with my iPhone, I figured I'd break out my GoPro 10 and do it this way. Anyway, I hope everybody's doing fine. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's healthy and happy. Hope you're having fun wherever you're at. And I'm gonna go back in the house because it's starting to sweat. And I don't like to sweat. Anyway, y'all take it easy out there. Safe travels. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye now.
Well, that's going on over there with the trees. I'm over here taking down the solar panel that was supplying the power to my Ring surveillance camera until it took a dump, and I had to send it back to Amazon to get my money back. Anyways, I've been meaning to do this for a few days, but it's just been so daggum hot, I just ain't wanted to do it. So I figured, well, today it's a little bit cooler, so here I are. Now there's my naked DirecTV mount. All I got left to do is take that little white mount off and I'm done. Later, Gators. Thanks for watching. Bye.